present to you all about our project is regarding the monitoring the growth of mushroom, specifically in humidity environment. As you can see, this is our project. And now before we start, I would like to introduce our group members. My name is Joshua Rasa, son of Infinite Prabhu.
My name is Hassan bin Basri.
My name is Arif bin Wahid.
My name is Ahmad Hadi bin Amran.
My name is Kanima Loda from Tukumar.
Okay, before we move on, we will start by introduction of what is our project all about. And now I'll pass it to Mr. Hassan to explain about the introduction.
For introduction, agriculture in Malaysia has contributed to national GDP, which is gross domestic product. It has been decreased in past few years due to several challenges, mainly on environmental effect. This project is specifically based on monitor humidity for the growth of mushroom. Sensor system is provided in order to control the humidity environment for better growth of mushroom. Without a suitable environment condition, the production of mushroom will be inefficient. In order to overcome the problem of the environment condition, the system is being designed specifically for humidity environment condition.
Okay, now we'll move on to the objective of our project. As you can see, our main objective of our project is to design an interface circuit for humidity sensor in order to control the humidity environment surrounding the mushroom. And this prototype of project will able to control the surrounding temperature of a mushroom. And besides that, the objective is about to design an automatic controlling and also an monitoring system which includes a user interface to display the correct data from the sensor and a closed loop control system to maintain the optimum growth of mushroom. The LCD may able to display the data whereby you can control the optimum growth of a mushroom. So now we will move on to the method used to develop this prototype or this project. Firstly, with software. About software simulation, we have also used Proteus and also DAQ software. When talk about Proteus, we have simulated this system in a Proteus before constructing in a hardware. This is the hardware development. As you can see here, this we have used several stage, which is firstly regarding sensor. We have used sensor in this project, which is HS1101. It's regarding analog input signal where it has a fast response times and also compatible. Besides that, they have also used signal condition circuit which able to act as an oscillator in this circuit. Besides also that, we also use ADC. ADC is analog to digital converter. We are able to convert analog signal to a digital signal, since we are using Arduino and also LCD. Furthermore, you have also used communication protocol and also DAQ software in order to develop or run the system here. Besides that, we also combine all those circuits to form a complete system, as you can see over here. Okay, now we will move on to the flow chart and it will be explained by Mr. Hadi.
Okay, for the flow chart, the condition first is the power turns on. When the power turns on, the humidity air sensor will turn on and LCD will display the humidity readings. When the humidity readings is between 85% and 90%, the power will turn off. But when the humidity condition the sensor detect is below than 85%, the sprinkler water will activate and the process will be looked to the LCD to display the humidity reading when the condition is achieved, and it will turn off. Okay, for the next part is the circuit. Yeah, for the simulation circuit, there are some circuit that we use. The firstly is the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno has unique features, that is a ADC converter, that is analog to digital converter. Because the sensor that we use is HS1101, is an analog type of sensor. The timer that we use is IC555, is used to as an oscillator, so that the sensor will generate frequency that will enter the Arduino, and lastly display into the LCD, which LCD will display the HUD or relative humidity readings. Okay, for the next part, I will go to my friend.
Okay, now we can move on to the demonstration section of our project, and Mr. Arif will explain to you and demonstrate to you all how the system works.
Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate this prototype. This is our Arduino. It can be powered up using a voltage regulator 5 volt, or we can simply connect it to a laptop or a power bank. And when we connect it, this Arduino also can give output of 5 volt or 3.3 volt or something around 7 to 12 volt. This is our HS1101. And it will be connected to an oscillator. This oscillator will generate a frequency so that this Arduino can read it. And now this in room humidity, it shows around 57 until 70% of the relative humidity in the air. And now I'm gonna demonstrate the changes when I apply some air to this HS sensor. This value gonna up based on humidity of my mouth. I'm gonna try one more time. And now it increased until 71% and 73%. And our objective is to get around 80 to 85% to 90%. Our circuit for now, this prototype is only to shows the value of RH. We still not done the control of this RH value, but we have some general idea about it. We can use water sprinkler we can apply water sprinkler to in a room of this mushroom, so that the RH value can be controlled by our Arduino. And that's all from me.
Okay, so as a conclusion, environmental condition is a significant factor that needed to be controlled in mushroom production. The device is able to develop an environmental control agriculture system that will increase the production of crop, especially mushroom. The data collected are the humidity condition range. If the condition of the humidity is not fulfilled, the sprinkle water will be activated in order to maintain and to control the surrounding humidity for the growth of mushroom. This project is suggested to be used in mushroom farming and also other agriculture, which will be helpful in controlling and maintaining the humidity environmental for the growth of mushroom. So that's all from us today. Thank you.